Imagine this. Every morning you wake up with a mind as clear as a calm lake. A plan so precise it feels like a roadmap. And the kind of discipline that makes you unstoppable. Say goodbye to procrastination and distractions. Say hello to consistent, goal-driven action. This level of discipline isn't something that just happens to you. It's a skill you cultivate. And today, I'm going to introduce you to the Lotus Method. A straightforward yet profound system to keep you focused. Eradicate bad habits and develop the self-control successful people thrive on. Have you ever started a project with enthusiasm only to find your momentum fizzling out? If staying consistent has been a struggle, stick around. This method is about to change everything for you. First, let's establish a critical distinction. Discipline isn't the same as motivation. Motivation is like a burst of fireworks, exhilarating but short-lived. You've probably felt it before. You set a goal, feel energized for a few days. Then poof, the excitement evaporates. That's because motivation is fickle, swayed by your current mood. Discipline, on the other hand, is the relentless engine that keeps you moving. It's the bridge between dreams and reality, showing up every day, rain or shine. So, how do we train our brains to embrace discipline? Enter the Lotus Method. Inspired by the lotus flower, this method helps you rise above challenges. Just as the lotus blooms beautifully in murky waters. Let's dive into the 4 key stages of this method, so you can start applying them right away. Stage 1. Root establishing your mental foundation. Just like a lotus needs robust roots, you need a strong mental groundwork for discipline. Start with clarity. Ask yourself why you want to be more disciplined. A flimsy reason won't hold up when things get tough. You need a purpose that anchors you. Next, take charge of your environment. Discipline isn't just about willpower. Your surroundings matter. If your phone is within arm's reach while you study, distractions will win. If your kitchen is full of junk food, it's only a matter of time before you indulge. The simplest way to become disciplined is to eliminate temptations before they arise. And remember, start small. You don't need to overhaul your life overnight. Tiny habits, waking up 10 minutes earlier, doing a single push-up, or reading for 5 minutes, create momentum that snowballs into larger habits. Stage 2. Stem strengthening self-control. Like a lotus that stands tall in muddy water, your self-control should stand firm amidst chaos. One trick for bolstering self-control is the 5-second rule. Whenever you hesitate, count down from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and go. This countdown halts overthinking and urges immediate action. Another strategy is practicing delayed gratification. This means opting for long-term benefits over instant pleasures. If you always give in to cravings or distractions, you're training your brain to crave instant gratification. Instead, practice waiting. Delay that phone check. Postpone that snack. The more you train your brain to wait, the stronger your discipline becomes. Stage 3. Bloom mastering deep focus. Now that you're in control, it's time to hone your focus. A lotus blooms when it reaches the surface. This stage is about immersing yourself in tasks without distractions. Time blocking is your ally here. Instead of working whenever you feel like it, assign specific time slots for deep work. Turn off notifications, stash away your phone, and commit to uninterrupted work. Stage 4. Thrive sustaining long-term discipline. A lotus doesn't just bloom, it thrives continually. The final stage is about embedding discipline into your daily life. Track your progress with a notebook or an app. Note your discipline level each day. If you slip up, don't let it spiral into more missed days. Bounce back immediately. Also, redefine your identity. Instead of saying, "I want to be disciplined," declare, "I am a disciplined person." When you identify as someone who naturally stays consistent, your actions will align with this belief. Now that you understand the Lotus Method, here's your action plan. Choose one habit you want to improve, be it waking up early, reading more, or exercising consistently. Apply the root, stem, bloom, and thrive approach over the next 7 days. Track your progress and witness your discipline strengthen. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your journey in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your experiences and the habits you're working on.